Welcome back to iSphere Daily Q. Today's question in the Indian economy section is taken from the UPSC CSE Prelims 2024. With reference to physical capital in Indian economy, consider the following pairs: farmer's plow, working capital; computer, fixed capital; yarn used by the weaver, fixed capital; petrol, working capital. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Only one, only two, only three, or all four? So let's look at the answer and the explanation. A physical capital refers to tangible assets made by humans that a corporation buys or invests in and then uses to produce finished goods or services. It is of two types: fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital can be thought of as physical investments in producing a good that can be used on several occasions or at least multiple accounting periods. Since it is fixed and reusable, it cannot readily be converted to cash. It has a long-term value that can fluctuate and in most cases deteriorate with time. So in the question, farmer's plow and computer come under the category of fixed capital. And working capital refers to a company's liquid assets such as cash and inventory in hand or anything that can be swiftly changed into currency. This type of capital is used during the production of the final product. So yarn used by the weaver and petrol come under the category of working capital. Therefore, the answer is only two. Only two of these pairs are correct. That is computer, which is a fixed capital, and petrol, which is a working capital. The first and third pair are incorrect. So the answer is B, only two. So that's your daily Q for economy. Now don't miss today's questions from geography, history and polity. Go check them out and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Make Daily Q your daily habit.